My child, I will move into your house tonight, and you will witness my hand at work in ways you have not yet understood. This is going to be a big moment for you, a time when everything changes. The challenges you've faced, the tough times, and the tears you've shed will all mean something in the end. I'm here to bring justice, and along with it, I'm going to bring blessings so huge that you won't even know what to do with them. I need you to listen up because there's something important I want to share with you. This moment isn't just about me sharing the blessings I have for you. It's all about a shift happening inside you. Get ready for a change that will set you up for the life I envision for you. You've been carrying around this feeling of doubt and uncertainty for way too long, almost like you don't deserve the good things I want to share with you. You've been wondering about your own worth and letting what others think shape how you see yourself. Tonight, I want to take a moment to remind you of how I see you. You're my cherished creation, truly deserving of all the good things, and you have my love and support. I get that you've been through a lot, and there have been moments when you've questioned my absence. I've always been here for you and will never abandon you. Just know that even in your toughest times, I've been right there with you, looking out for you and helping you along the way. I've noticed what you're going through, and I've listened to what you've been saying. It's during those tough times that I've been quietly working in the background, getting you ready for what's ahead. The challenges you've gone through have definitely meant something. They've really put your faith to the test, acting like a refining process to clean up your heart and boost your spirit. Tonight, I'm going to send my angels to keep watch over your home, making sure you're safe from any dark forces that might be trying to creep in. The enemy has tried to take away your peace, creating chaos and confusion in your heart. But tonight, I'm here to quiet those voices. I'm here to stand up against anything that's tried to bring you down, and I'll help bring back your peace. I know how much pain they've brought you. Even if it feels like you're alone, just remember I'm right here with you, my child. Tonight, I'm not just your loving dad. I'm also here as the one who can set everything straight. I made the heavens and the earth, and I know about everything that happens. I've noticed the hurt that others have caused you with their dishonest actions. I understand what they're really thinking, and I'm not going to let it slide anymore. I've been really patient with them, hoping they'd change and come around, but it feels like they've just hardened their hearts. I'm planning to move into your place tonight, and you'll see my skills in action like never before. This is going to be a game changer for you, a moment when everything starts to change. The challenges you've faced, the tough times, and the tears you've shed will all mean something in the end. I'm here to bring justice, and along with it, I'll bring blessings so huge that you won't be able to hold them all in. My child, I need you to listen up because there's something important I want to share with you. This moment isn't just about me sharing the blessings I have for you. It's all about a shift happening inside you. Get ready for a change that's going to set you up for the life I envision for you. You've been carrying around this feeling of doubt and uncertainty for way too long, almost like you don't deserve the good things I want to share with you. You've been wondering about your own worth and letting what others think shape how you see yourself. Tonight, I want to take a moment to remind you of how I see you. You're my cherished creation, truly deserving of all the good things, and my love and support are all yours. I get that you've been through a lot, and there have probably been moments when you've questioned where I've been. I've always been here for you, and I won't ever abandon you. Hey, just know that even when things get tough, I've been right there with you, looking out for you and helping you along the way. I've noticed what you're going through, and I've listened to your struggles. It's during those tough times that I've been quietly working in the background, getting you ready for what's ahead. The challenges you've gone through have definitely had a purpose. They've really put your faith to the test, acting like a refining process to clean up your heart and boost your spirit. Tonight, I'm going to send my angels to keep watch over your home, making sure you're safe from any dark forces that have been trying to creep into your life. The enemy has tried to take away your peace, creating chaos and confusion in your heart. But tonight, I'm here to quiet those voices. I'm here to stand against anything that's tried to bring you trouble, and I'm all about helping you find your peace again. You won't have to deal with the whims of those trying to control you anymore. You won't have to feel trapped by fear, doubt, or anxiety anymore. I'm the Lord of hosts, and I've got your back in this fight. I want you to know that tonight isn't only about keeping safe, it's all about empowerment. I'm going to share an anointing with you that will help break every chain of bondage in your life. You've been shouldering a lot for quite a while, and I'm here to help lighten that load for you. You won't feel the weight of the world dragging you down anymore. You're going to walk in freedom, my child, and you'll start to experience the abundant life I've promised you. Some people in your life might not have been completely genuine with you. They've played tricks on you, twisted things around, and really taken your kindness for granted. But tonight I'm here to clear things up for you. Eventually, the truth will come out, and all the lies will be uncovered. You'll finally see things clearly when it comes to the people in your life. My light is going to shine bright, and the ones who have been scheming against you will be revealed for who they really are. No more being misled, that's for sure. Being honest with yourself will really help you move on from those who don't appreciate you or recognize your value. I just want you to know that I really care about how you've been treated. I notice all the things people say and do to you, and I see the unfairness you've faced. I've got your back, and I'm here to stand up for you. No weapon that comes against you will succeed. Any voice that speaks out against you, I will stand against. I'm here to protect you, to be your stronghold, and to help you out when you need it. Tonight, I'm excited to show you just how powerful my protection can be. It's something you've never experienced before. But hey, there's more to it, my child. Along with the protection, the empowerment, and the unveiling of truth, I'm going to bless you in a way that will truly amaze others. The blessings I've got in store for you are more amazing than you can even picture. I'm going to open doors that have been closed for ages. I'm going to lead you into a time filled with favor and prosperity. I see how faithful you've been, and I want to show my appreciation with a reward. People who have looked down on you, who have mocked you and doubted your success, are going to witness the amazing things happening in your life soon. They'll realize that I've picked you and that there's a bigger plan for your life than they could ever grasp. So, I'm starting the work tonight, but I know that seeing my blessings won't happen right away. Just keep walking by faith, trusting in my timing and my plan. Just hang in there, even when it feels like nothing's going on. I'll bring the breakthrough when the time is right for me. When it finally arrives, it'll be even more amazing than you can picture. The dreams I've put in your heart are definitely going to happen. Your wishes will come true. The things you've been praying for will come through. But it's important to stay faithful and patient in the meantime. I get that you've been dealing with fear, my child. Worries about what we don't know, concerns about not succeeding, and the anxiety of being disappointed. But tonight, I'm taking that fear away from your heart. I'm swapping it out for a vibe of power, love, and a clear mind. Fear won't hold you back anymore. My child, just wanted to say that the changes coming your way are going to be more amazing than you can even picture right now. These changes aren't just about what's happening around you. They're really about a deeper transformation happening within you. I've been right there with you during the tough times, and now I'm getting you ready for the exciting new season that's coming up. This season might put you to the test, for sure, but it's also going to be a time of amazing rewards where my promises really come to life. I'm reaching out to encourage you to elevate yourself to a better position, a spot where my words will keep you grounded and my presence will steer you along the way. I've noticed that things around you are changing. I get it. There are so many voices, temptations, and distractions out there trying to steer you off the path I've laid out for you. The world has so much to offer in terms of comfort, pleasure, and acceptance. But honestly, nothing really compares to the peace and fulfillment I feel when I'm walking in my own will. The temptations you encounter are genuine, and the pressures you're experiencing can feel quite overwhelming. Just remember not to get too caught up in the temporary fun things out there. I've got a better plan for you. A plan that brings lasting joy, peace, and righteousness. Sometimes it might feel like you're all by yourself. It feels like everyone around you is taking a different direction. It can be really tempting to just go along with what everyone else is doing and give in to what society expects of us. Just a little reminder that you're one of a kind, not like anyone else out there. You're my child, and I've invited you to aim for something greater. The world has its distractions, lies, and false promises, but what I hold true is everlasting. It stays the same, no matter the seasons or what's happening around us. Just follow my word, and it'll help you navigate both the tough times and the good ones. My child, you know, some people out there might try to convince you that doing the right thing is old-fashioned, or that following my guidance is just too tough and limiting. You'll hear the enemy trying to make you think you're missing out, suggesting that the fun of sin is something you should chase after. Just remember, sin always ends in destruction, but living righteously brings life. The decisions you make today will shape what tomorrow looks like for you. You can choose to enjoy the fleeting pleasures of this world, but they might leave you feeling empty and unsatisfied. On the other hand, you can embrace the lasting peace that comes from living in alignment with my will. In the next few days, things are going to get a bit more tempting. It seems like things are heading in a direction where corruption might increase, and the push to fit in could get even tougher. But you really need to stand your ground, my dear. You really need to stick to the truth of what I say, because it's the one thing that will always stay solid. The enemy will try to make you feel like you're missing out, like doing the right thing is just too heavy to carry. I promise you, my child, that living righteously brings so many more blessings than the temporary thrills of sin. You'll be blessed in ways you can't even imagine when you decide to follow my path. I get that it can be tough. I get it, you're feeling worn out and just tired of the fight. Hey, I just want to encourage you today. Your hard work is definitely worth it. Each step you take by following my word brings you closer to your destiny. Every time you decide to stick with my ways, even when the world tries to pull you in another direction, you're making a choice that brings you closer to the abundant life I've promised you. I want you to know that you don't have to go through this journey by yourself. I'm right here with you through it all. I'll be there to lift you up when you're feeling weak, to give you a boost of courage when fear sets in, and to share some wisdom when you're unsure of your next step. You don't have to depend solely on your own strength. I'm here to empower you. I'm here to get you ready for the journey ahead. My child, when you're feeling like throwing in the towel and the pressure's just too heavy, keep in mind that my grace is more than enough for you. My strength shines brightest when you're feeling weak. You don't need to be perfect, my child. Just be open to surrendering to me and trusting in my plan. Sometimes you might find yourself feeling tempted to make a compromise. You know, the world is full of shortcuts and easy paths that can really catch your eye. Don't let yourself be fooled. Sometimes the road to doing what's right can feel tough, but it's really the only way that brings true life. The enemy might try to lure you in with tempting offers of wealth, fame, success, or pleasure. But honestly, all these things just don't compare to the peace and joy I feel when I live according to my own will. Don't swap the lasting for the fleeting. Sometimes it really feels like the pressure is just too much to handle. It can feel like the world is really loud sometimes, and the urge to fit in and be accepted is pretty strong, right? Just keep in mind that you don't have to go along with everyone else. Hey, come follow me. You're meant to shine bright in the dark, offering hope to those who feel a bit lost. Your goodness will stand out like a city on a hill, and people will notice your actions and give praise to your Father in heaven. When you decide to follow my path, you really show off my goodness and grace to others. You really show what it's like to live in true freedom, unburdened by sin and fear. Don't be scared to stand on your own, my dear. Even when it feels like no one else gets it, and you think you're the only one on the right track, Just know that I'm here with you. Just wanted to say that I called you, and I'm here to stay. It might seem like you're on your own, but trust me, you're not alone in this. Sometimes you might feel a bit down and wonder if sticking to the right path is really worth it. It might feel like the journey is a bit lengthy, and sometimes the benefits aren't obvious right away. Just keep this in mind, my dear. My ways are above your ways, and my thoughts are above your thoughts. What feels like a struggle right now will eventually turn into a story of my faithfulness. The harvest is on its way, and you'll get back what you've put in. Keep being true to yourself and doing what's right, and you'll definitely see the results of your hard work. I get that the temptations out there can be really tough, and I truly respect the struggles you're dealing with. I just want to say, keep pushing ahead, even when things get tough. Even when everything around you seems to be crumbling, just focus on me. Stay tuned in to what I'm saying. It's the one thing you can always count on. That's the one thing that will guide you into the abundant life I've promised you. Just a little reminder that you're more than a conqueror through Christ. The same power that brought Jesus back to life is alive in you. You've got what it takes to push through every temptation, to get through every challenge, and to stay strong in your beliefs. There's no need to worry about what the world might throw at you. I'm here with you, and I'll help you win. Keep it real, my friend. I'm going to stick to what I said. Even when the world tries to lure you into taking the easy way out, keep in mind that the narrow road is the one that truly leads to life. You're not in this alone. I'm right here with you through it all. As you keep walking in my ways, you'll notice the changes in your life. You'll notice the good things that come from living by my truth. You'll find the peace, joy, and fulfillment that comes from following me. Just trust me, child. I've got your back. I'm always here for you, no matter what. Even when the world tries to pull you in another direction, just keep in mind that I've got something greater in store for you. Just focus on me, and I'll guide you toward a future that's full of hope, blessings, and what's right. I'm so proud of you, my child. Just keep walking with me, and I promise you'll be blessed in ways you can't even imagine, burdened with love,